Lubambelele ethembeni usapho lwenkwenkwane neminyaka esibhozo obudala yaseMapetla echacha esibhedlele iChris Hani Baragwanath Academic Hospital eDiepkloof ngenxa yokutya ukutya okunetyhefu. Kutyholwa ukuba lo mntwana ugule emva kokuba etye amashwamshwam awathenge kwivenkile yasekuhlaleni ngoLwesihlanu eveke ephelileyo ekunye noontanga bakhe abathathu. Kuxelwa ukuba abanye abachaphazelekanga njengoko bengakhange bayitye bayigqibe ipakethi yamashwamshwam. Okanti ke kwelinye icala amalungu oluntu alugcwabevu ngumsindo malunga nalo mba.
Ufuna izimpendulo umndeni womfanyana oneminyaka eyisishiyagalombili ubudala osesimeni esibucayi esibhedlela okusolwa ukuthi ugule ngemuva kokudla ama-snacks athengwe esiphaza sendawo eMapetla. Umalume walo mfanyana uyachaza.
We appreciate the support of the government, but we are not happy with what happened. This happened in Naledi, and after Naledi, Ramaphosa said spazas must be registered. This spaza is not registered at all. It doesn't have papers, but he's been allowed to operate.
Kusenjalo umphakathi uthi ukuthela uganoni wabo ngalesi sigameko wavala izitolo eziseduze nothi ke ufuna abokufika bahambe.
Re thola bana le dipampiri ba wan pleke tsa bona di clean. We no longer want that. Ntho ya se etsaetse mo le last year we had the very same problem. Ngwana o rekile ma style yena luckily azang awaja ni expiry.
We started these things long time ago, about 3-4 years back. It happened that it was disrupted. I think the most important thing is that the community must come together in terms of resolving and coming with a common ground. Because of making noise doesn't make any sense. We can close down these shops, but where do they get the products? Because of remember, the supply chain is the one that we need to deal with.
Sifuna isolution ngale iphaza. And if bona bafila ukuthi thina mhlambe si wrong sifuna ukuthi iphaza abathatha iphaza zabo bayohlala nazo abantwana babo bathenge you understand ngoba vele emhlabeni abantu abahluphekile yibo abahlala banyathelelwa.
Kubikwa ukuthi umnikazi walesi sitolo uyile ukuyoxolisa emndenini ngemuva kwalesi sigameko. Kanti ke kutholakala ukuthi lesi sitolo asinawo amaphepha afanele ukusebenza njengomthetho owamenyezelwa umengameli ngonyaka owedlule. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseMapetla.
Kusenjalo umphathiswa wensebenziswano kuRhulumente nemicimbi yemveli uVelenkosi Hlabisa utyelele lenkwenkwana esibhedlela ngenjongo zokunika inkxaso. uHlabisa uthi uzokundlala phambi kwekhabhinethi umba wokusetyenziswa kwamachiza ayingozi ngongekho semthethweni ekwabongoza uluntu ukuba lusebenzisane noRhulumente ukukhusela abantwana.
Ungqongqoshe uzokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu uVelenkosi Hlabisa ehambisana nobuholi bedolobha laseJohannesburg bavakashele indawo yaseMapetla nokuyilapho kugule khona umfanyana oneminyaka eyisishiyagalombili ubudala okusolakala ukuthi udle ama-snacks anoshevu esitolo sendawo. uHlabisa uphinde wavakashela lo mfanyana esibhedlela nokuyilapho eqinise khona idolo umndeni.
Silana Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital besizobheka umntwana owaba nokugula emva kokuba edle ama-snacks ayiwathenge kwispaza shop. Sibe nethuba ke lokuba sithola umbiko kodokotela no-nurse sambona umntwana sikanye nomama wakhe nomalume. Esingakusho nje ukuthi umntwana usezandleni ezinakekelayo ithimba elenele lodokotela nabahlengikazi andingaphezulu kwethimba labahlengikazi nodokotela. Imkhuleko yethu sibeka kuNkulunkulu ukuba asebenzise izandla zabo nolwazi lwabo ukuthi umntwana abuyele emndenini masinyane.
Kusenjalo ikhansela lendawo linxusa umphakathi ukuba wehlise umoya udedele ingalo yomthetho idlale indima yayo.
Re kopa thapelo, we're requesting for prayers in the community or ngwana a kgone recover. We are requesting for prayers so that the child can recover. And then at the same time we are requesting the community to come down until the investigation leads, as much as the minister outlined the issue e ka bang teng maybe ke organophosphate e leng hore ke poison. If maybe on the pesticides, the illegal pesticides, inside the shop, like bo halpirim and the poison, rest poisons ha di teng mo shopong di a kgona ho kena ko di-producteng tse ding di affecte bana hopola ntho tse ke di-poison.
Kuzokhumbuleka ukuthi ngonyaka owedlule kwamenyezelwa ukususwa kokuthengiswa koshevu obulala izinambuzane nezilwanyana owaziwa nge-organophosphate oyamaniswa nokushona kwezingane ezingaphezu kwe-10. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngiseMapetla.